A quick point from this week's Pasha, Pasha's Chukas. We take the Para Aduma, the red cow, and we burn the red cow after the shechted first, obviously. And you take the ashes of that red cow, and you put it in the water, and we make it to sprinkle to make a person that is tamei, a person that is impure, to be able to become pure. So the concept is we're taking the cow and we're burning it and becoming ashes. Now, the cow and the ashes are actually the same essence. The main part of the cow is actually afal. There's 4 foundations that is in every object. There's the afal, the dirt part of it, the water part of it, the wind, and the fire. In the most physical things, the main part of there is actually the afal, the dirt part. But the other 3 parts, the other 3 components, the other 3 yesedas, foundations, are putting it together and gives it all the length and the width and all the shape that he has. When you take those 3 out, you have only ashes, which is a very small amount compared to the cow after it was shechted. And the Alter Rebbe brings that concept in Avodas Hashem. It's in Pashas Chukas, Daf Nun Ches Amud Aleph. Top of the page. Avodas Hashem, serving Hashem. What is this concept? Because the midas of Nefesh Be'amis also coming from Klipas Nega, whereas the source of the animal soul is from very high level. And you have to destroy the negative that is mixed inside of it. In other words, the fact that he took his characteristic and his desire and pulled it into the desire of this physical world. And now it becomes that the characteristic is mixed with a lot of negative and therefore becomes a negative characteristic. But when you take the negative clothing out of it, in other words, the specific design that he put his heart towards it, and you remove it, that it should completely be taken away, then the negativity will be completely burnt out in the smoke. And all of the negativity will be taken away from the character. That is not going to bring anymore is that character to that concept, to that specific desire that he has, and to take his mind completely out of it. And then the essence of the characteristic of the animal soul will become into kedusha, into holiness. That from that should be tremendous love to Hashem, and more than that, the love to Hashem as the greatness Yisron Erev Nacheshech, the greatness of the light from the darkness. V'tzak libe Hashem b'chel yasir, and to have a greater screaming to Hashem and desire to Hashem with a tremendous strength. As it says in the Zohar, you should serve Hashem b'chol levavcha and b'ofav yitzarecha v'da'u raza. That is the circuit. We have to understand what is the circuit. A simple thing. That the Ava should be to the Eibishter with the 2 Yitzarim, with the animal soul and the godly soul. But the point of it is that the Yetzer Hara and the Taiva that has in this physical world, that same love can turn into Kedusha, to be tremendous love to Hashem. And not just that, but that love and that strong desire can be even stronger than the desire of the Yetzer Tov. Because the reality is when the vessels of the animal soul, of the vessels and the clothing of the desire will be destroyed. In other words, he will stop, he will close his eyes from looking to negative, and he will close his mind from thinking about negative things. And what is left? Only this, so to say, the ashes from that desire. Then that desire, that same desire, could turn to love Hashem and to desire Hashem. And that is the level of Madregas Tshuva Me'ava, that the actual desire and the push that was before enclosed in the negative thing, that is the same desire, the same push and strength and burning desire will be serving to Hashem. And after we have the tremendous desire that comes from the animal soul, you have to put it in Maim Chayim El Keli, into a water which is lively, which is concept of Chochmah, and is explained many places in Likutei Torah that after the Ratzei, after the tremendous desire to Hashem, you need to have the Shuv, which is the level of Chochmah.